Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's nice to have you. Feel free to check out my other YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. Okay, so we're going to add a cup and 3/4 of breadfruit flour. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of gluten-free flour, all-purpose gluten-free flour, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. We're also going to need a 1/3 cup of tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now guys, I have to apologize. I lost the footage where I added the water. But basically what you do is add your water slowly until you're able to form a dough ball, as you see here. Now all you need to do is pinch off a smaller piece and roll that into a ball, just as you see here. Okay, so now I'm using my tortilla press in order to press out my dough so that I can get that flatbread shape. So basically you just lay your flatbread in your pan and you will want to cook it on both sides. So guys, if you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and of course don't keep it to yourself. Be sure to share it with family and friends.